Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using the PC Manager app, which is an app very similar to the likes of CCleaner and other PC optimization apps, which is maintained and developed by Microsoft, which allows you to perform a basic computer maintenance and speed up your computer using the boost button with one click, then just to let you know it has received an update. And if you want any info regarding Microsoft's PC Manager, just do a search on the channel, as I have posted quite a few videos previously. Now, just to let you know that the tool has received an update. So if we head to the settings, it's been bumped up to current version 1.2.9.1, which is currently on a controlled rollout. I've only seen it on my Windows 10 device at this stage and not on my Windows 11 device, so it should become more widely available over the next coming days. And if you are using the app, you can just check for updates to try and force this latest version and build. Now, there is one new little feature which actually isn't bringing any more tools per se to the actual app for cleaning and boosting purposes, but there is a toggle here that says early access, get early access to experience the latest features. Now, this is off by default with this latest update. And if you turn that on, obviously over time they will start pushing out the latest features, which gives you early access. So I'm going to leave this on and just check this out for a couple of days. And then obviously if I do get access to those latest features sooner than later, I'll post and let you know. And if you want to do the same, just make sure if you are using the app that after this latest update 1291 that you have this toggled on if you want to get to those experimental features. And over and above that, when it comes to the cleanup page, I'm not seeing any new add-ons or features. When it comes to the security section, the same applies, nothing new here. So that's just the latest and new feature, getting access to those early features. And just a quick recap, the PC Manager doesn't really bring any new features when it comes to cleanup and security to the Windows 10 and 11 operating system. It's just using default features that are already available in the operating system, and it just points to those existing features. So it's not bringing anything new, it's just pointing to existing features in the operating system. So as an example here, you can see you get your you can scan using Microsoft Defender, which is already part of the Windows operating system. So as mentioned, just points to existing features and lets you perform basic computer maintenance and speed up your device. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.